Hi guys, Dr. Adil Khan again. Again making a small video to share my experience with you. Every day there are a lot of people who comes to my clinic for different problems. And some problems are chronic, some are acute. But if I tell them for certain amount of sittings, 70% do their all sittings very efficiently, or I would say very regularly. But that 30% who doesn't complete their sittings, for them, and then when they go back, and then I get to hear from somewhere that they are saying acupuncture didn't work for them. How I don't find it good for acupuncture, especially because when a doctor has said you for, let's say, 10 sittings and you are just doing 5, and then you are saying you haven't improved. I mean, is it a fault of a doctor, or is it a fault of a patient who hasn't listened to the doctor? So patience in any alternate system of medicine is very important. So only one request I would like to make to people, that if you start anything, any alternate system of medicine, first the faith in the doctor, faith in the treatment, and have patience. If doctor has told you to do 10 sessions, so please do 10 sessions. So today the case that I'm going to be discussing with you is all about patience and faith. The lady that I'll be meeting you this time has been my patient from last 10 years. She was actually the first one that I started my acupuncture on. When I got my license 10 years back to practice acupuncture, and one day I was in clinic and my father was very busy. So she was coming for her back treatment, and then I asked her, Mother, should I do for you? And she readily agreed, showing that faith in me. And 10 years back till now, she is very regularly getting the treatment done from me for her multiple problems. And then her whole family is again coming to me for different problems whenever they have. Like her husband, once he had a shoulder problem, that was solved. Then he had his back problem, that was solved. Then he had his skin problem, that was solved. Then her daughters have cervical problems off and on. They come to me. And she herself had cervical problem, back problems, some sleeping problems, which over the days or over the years has been continuously being solved. And I can proudly say that from the time she has been associated with me, she has never gone to any other doctor, whether it's ortho or neuro. So let me introduce you to Vanita Sehgal, and she will like to share her own experience. Here Vanita Sehgal is.
Hi everyone. Yes, as doctor has said, I have been associated with this family for the last 15 years, and I started off with his father, Dr. M.R. Khan, and was a little hesitant in the beginning, but as I started the treatment and trying to be very regular, I was happy with whatever I was doing. And later, after 5 years, when Dr. Adil joined, so since then he has been taking over and taking care of all my problems off and on. Of course, I have been taking breaks in between all these years, but whenever there is something major, I always come back and get my treatment done. Whether it's for 1 month, whether it's for 3 months, or whether it's even for 15 days. So overall, and of course now we are more like family. My family trust him and get all the treatments done without even having to ask too many questions. My mother was here recently for 2 months with her stomach problem, and she has been very happy with her treatment, but unfortunately she couldn't stay on, and now she does want to come back again in the next 2-3 months, hopefully, to continue to get her few sittings as required.
Okay, the one thing I would like to ask her, that very recently she started experiencing headaches, which a lot of ladies does at this age. And I think she was eating a painkiller every day. So then she discussed it with me, and I said, okay fine, let me do something for you. and I think 15 days treatment, and I'm talking about 6 months back. 15 days sitting, and her headache has never come back after that.
Oh.
It's
Yes.
complete 6 months, and she hasn't had a painkiller after that. So this is one small experience that I would like to share to know you people about headaches and migraines and all these undesirable headaches that a lot of ladies do often get. Okay, guys, so let's end this thing here only, and I'll be back with some more new experiences to share. Thank you. Goodbye.